You will be very happy to learn that today we are going to recite poem together. In your English book, if you take page number 68, there is a beautiful poem. The poem's name is Firework, written by James Reeves. Let us discuss the poem's name. The name of the poem is Firework. Actually, firework means crackers. Children, in October or November month, you can feel the festival of Diwali. Am I right? It is annual festival of light you observed during several days in October or November month. The poet James Reeves feels that fireworks are beautiful and exciting. The fireworks are crimson, blue, and white. And children, the poet is comparing the sky to an orchard. So, without any delay, let us read the poem and let me explain the poem. Children, before I'm going to read and recite this poem, let me say the overview of this poem. In this poem, the poet feels that fireworks are beautiful and exciting. Okay, he was explaining the fireworks beautiful and excite here. Okay, so the poet explains that fireworks resemble flower at night. They burst with light. They are blue, white, and crimson color. And he thinks this is the miracle like that of Catherine's wheel or marigolds moving in the air. Okay, and he also finds them resembling rockets and candles lighting up the sky and leaving behind a trail of their beautiful petals to look at. Okay, so colored lights blink on and off, racing across the green boughs, and we shall go wild with fireworks. Okay, now let me read the poem. They rise like sudden fiery flowers that burst upon the night, then fall to earth in burning showers of crimson, blue, and white. Like buds too wonderful to name, each miracle unfolds. And Catherine wheels begin to flame like whirling marigolds. Rockets and Roman candles make an orchard of the sky where magic trees their petals shake upon each gazing eyes. Here, children, the poet uses many metaphors and similes in the poem to add emphasis of magic, mystery, and fireworks. Okay, the poet describes the phenomenon of fireworks to be something extraordinary. And children, he explains that fireworks resemble flowers at night and they burst with light and they are of blue, white, and crimson color. Okay, he thinks this is a miracle like that of Catherine's wheel or marigolds moving in the air. And children, he also find them resembling rockets and candles lighting up the sky and leaving behind a trail of their beautiful petals to look at. Okay, so this is the explanation of this poem, and activity and poem appreciations upload in next video. Keep learning while having lot of fun. Thank you, kids.